Getting that "aw snap" error when you try to browse can be really frustrating, right? Well, I've got quick fixes for you that'll have your browser back on track in no time. Hi everyone, I'm Jade from Rapyd Cloud, the high-performance hosting platform your website deserves. Today, I'm going to walk you through what the "aw snap" error in Google Chrome is, and then we'll go through some simple steps that can get you back to browsing smoothly. The "aw snap" error in Google Chrome occurs when the browser encounters a problem while trying to load a web page. This error message indicates that something went wrong and Chrome is unable to display the page correctly. Common causes of this error include issues like an unstable internet connection, excessive use of system memory, especially with many tabs open, conflicts with browser extensions, corrupted cache or cookies, outdated versions of Chrome, or interference from antivirus or firewall software. Essentially, it's Chrome's way of saying, "I tried, but something's not working right." It usually requires some troubleshooting to resolve, so let's get right into it. First up, the easiest fix. Just reload the page you're trying to visit. Sometimes the error is just a fluke caused by a temporary glitch. Press Ctrl+R on Windows or CMD+R on Mac to reload the page and see if that clears up the error. If it's a one-time thing, this quick refresh is all you need. If reloading doesn't work, try closing some tabs. Having too many open tabs can overwhelm Chrome, especially if they're running heavy content like videos or games. Close all unnecessary tabs and try again. Alternatively, open an Incognito window. Incognito mode disables extensions and clears cache on the fly, so if the page loads here, it might indicate an issue with your extensions or cache. Next, check your internet connection. Sometimes an unstable internet connection can trigger the "aw snap" error. Make sure your Wi-Fi is stable or your Ethernet cable is securely connected. Try running a quick speed test or restarting your router. If your connection drops or is too slow, Chrome might struggle to load the page properly. Next, let's clear your cache and cookies. These files help load pages faster, but if they become outdated or corrupted, they can cause errors. Click on the three-dot menu in Chrome and go to Settings. Under Privacy and Security, click Clear Browsing Data. Select Cookies and Other Site Data and Cached Images and Files, and click Clear Data. This should remove any corrupted files that might be causing this error. If clearing the cache doesn't work, your browser extensions might be the culprit, so try disabling them temporarily. To do that, click on the three-dot menu, go to Extensions and click Manage Extensions. Toggle off all extensions and restart Chrome. If the error disappears, re-enable the extensions one by one to find which one is causing the issue. Next, update Google Chrome. It's also important to keep your browser up to date. Outdated versions of Chrome can have bugs or security issues that lead to errors like this. To update Chrome, click on the three-dot menu, go to Help and select About Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. Restart Chrome and see if the error persists. Sometimes the simplest solution is to restart your device. A quick reboot can clear up memory and resolve software conflicts that might be causing the "aw snap" error. After restarting, open Chrome and try loading the page again. Lastly, your antivirus or firewall might be interfering with Chrome. Temporarily disable them to see if they're causing the issue. Just remember to turn them back on afterwards to keep your system protected. If disabling them resolves the error, you might need to adjust their settings or whitelist Chrome. Just like fixing this error ensures a smooth browsing experience, having a reliable hosting service is crucial for keeping your website up and running smoothly. With Rapyd Cloud, your WordPress site stays fast, secure, and always online. We handle the technical stuff so you can focus on what really matters, growing your online presence. But don't just take my word for it. Click the link in the description to try Rapyd for yourself. And there you have it. 8 ways to fix the snap error in Google Chrome. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell for more tech tips. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.